Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this Dizo wireless Bluetooth earphones or headphones or whatever you call them. This is a neckband. Now today we are going to letting you know that how you can easily connect these type of devices or this device on your laptop or computer easily without any hesitations, without any thing. First of all, there are no switch on and off button on this device, and how we can just easily switch on this device. As you can see, the magnet of these two earbuds are connected to each other, and you have to just remove them and it gets on. And when it's go to pairing mode, it starts blinking. That means it is get into pairing mode. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to our laptop or computer, and we have to just go to the start or search button, and there we have to type Bluetooth, and you will find the Bluetooth and other settings over here. Click on that, and after that you can easily do whatever you want to do here, but I'm gonna tell you another way. If you don't find option over there, you have to just find this arrow button over here below over here, and click on that, and you will see Bluetooth option over here. Click on that, and settings options will open, and you have to just click on this add a device option. Click on that, and it's take you to the same option or same place. Over here you have to just choose this add a Bluetooth device. Click on that, and after that click on this some mic or keyboard, pen, audio, anything, because we are using audio device. Click over there, and it's searching right now. As you can see, it's showing Dizo wireless over here. Click on that, it's connecting, and voila, it's connected. Right now easily you can use voice, music, and do whatever you want to do in your Dizo wireless earphones. And when it's just pair with each other, I mean just magnetically connected with each other, it's just automatically removed. So hope you understand that how you can easily connect these type of devices with your mobile laptop or computer. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.